With this given information, we are trying to solve a triangle. So we have lowercase a, angle A. Since lowercase and angle A, lowercase a and angle A are given, we want to use the laws of sines. That is, sine A over A equals sine B over B. So sine angle A over A equals sine B over B. Oh, lowercase b is given, so let's use that. Sine B over B. If lowercase c or angle C were given, then we would go for sine C over C. Okay, and in this case only one thing is unknown, this B. Now we can determine this B. Sine A is 60, so that is sine 60 degrees all over A is 10 equals sine B. This B is to be determined, by the way. Lowercase b is 3. One fraction, so cross multiply, and we want to find B. So let me write 10 times sine B first, this way. 10 times sine B equals 3 times sine 60. Okay, do not put the value of sine 60 yet. In fact, sine 60 degrees is root 3 over 2. That's the exact value. So we'll get at the end. And now divide by 10. So divide by 10. Then we have sine B equals 3 sine 60 degrees all over 10. Then B is given by taking sine inverse both sides. Okay, then B is sine inverse of 3 sine 60, which is root 3 over 2 over 10. Now use your calculator and we'll get the value. Okay, then from calculator we get 15.06, rounding to 2 decimal places. 15.06 degrees. By the way, sine inverse we can find from calculator. This is given in first quadrant, but sine is positive in the second quadrant as well. So the next angle is always 180 degrees minus this 15.06. Okay, I'm not sure whether this is true, but I mean whether this angle exists, but we need to go through this for now, which is 15.06 degrees, and if we subtract, that's 164.94. Okay, in a triangle the sum of 3 angles is 180. It's given that A is 60, and now if we think B is 160.94, if we add these two angles, then the sum is already bigger than 180. So this angle is not the case. Okay, there is no angle like this. If the sum of these two angles is still less than 180, then we would have two triangles case. Then this would be B. We would find the corresponding C from both angles, but in this case don't have to. This is not possible. So angle A is 60, B is 15.06. Then we can find angle C, because sum of 3 angles is 180. So the third angle is always 180 minus A minus B, 15.06, which is 104.94 degrees. Now it remains to find lowercase c, that's side C. Okay, so let's go for that. Now we can use another law of sines. That's just sine. Let's use angle A, because angle A is 60 degrees, not decimal. So sine A over A equals sine C over lowercase c. from this we should be able to find the value of lowercase c. That is sine 60 degrees over lowercase a is 10 equals sine, we just found c, that's 104.94 degrees all over lowercase c. Okay, let's cross multiply and isolate c. So c times sine 60 is equal to 10 times sine 104.94 degrees. Then lowercase c is just divide this by sine 60. So 10 times sine 104.94 divided by sine 60, which is root 3 over 2, but we don't have to. So c equals, use your calculator again and find the value, and it comes out to be 11.16. Okay, so we have only one triangle case, and what we found here, angle B is here 15.06 degrees, and angle C is found here, and side C is found here. Oh, this is not degrees, it's a mistake, it's the side. Okay, final.